A baseball one. Oh, you have baseball wrapping paper, huh?
Yeah.
And look, it's a little red car.
Look it.
It's a Lego car.
Yes, and now what is this one? I'll open it.
Oh, I think
That one's
was-
Tyler's
I think
too.
That was Tyler. You got 2 and he got 2. Where's your other Lego, guys? Cameron, here's one. Where's your other one?
Well, that's
It's over on the.
Oh, okay.
Open. I'll open.
Oh, that one's for Marty. That one's for Daddy. Another, let's look. Looks like some more magnets. Hold on, let's look. Let's look. You know, and I think you could even take it in the box, and maybe that's something we could do in the car or take to church. Look at, oh, look. Here's little penguins. Let's look at them all on the back. Let's see what there are. Ooh, beach, snow, Mexican. Woohoo!
Say thank you.
Okay, look up there. Say thank you.
Save.
Okay, should we